Okay, so the table is assembled except for the support brackets. The issue is if you line it up here on this side, it's nowhere close to the hole. That's right there. So if you line it up here, as I'm showing, it's nowhere close to that hole. And if you go ahead and line it up with this hole right here, this one is misaligned. It's the same thing with the other side. When you line it up with this hole right here, it doesn't match up with the support hole. And same thing, if you match it up with this one, it doesn't line up here. The table feels pretty solid, except without the support brackets, it's super wobbly. So I went ahead and tried screwing in the support bracket, but unfortunately, this is nowhere close. It's just nowhere close to that hole. It's really misaligned, so it's way longer than it should be. So yeah, the table, unfortunately, is just super wobbly without that support.
Hi, hello. I got this 47-inch desk. I was trying to get it for gaming, but look, I don't recommend it because trying to put it together. Look, this happened. That happened. A lot of bumps. So it's basically the screws, but we were just tightening it a little bit, and look, this is what happens. It's a really bad table. I don't recommend it. It's so it's not stable. Look, as you can see, look, I'm barely moving it. Look, it's moving a lot. I don't really recommend it. I would recommend if you get a better desk, something like the QB desk or something else, because this desk is bad.
Also, when you do these, they do have to be at a weird angle, but they do fit. I saw a couple reviews about them not fitting, but they just have to be very weirdly angled. It's very hard to do. It took us like 30 minutes.